afternoon. It's Kevin with LumpiaLife. We are Kevin and Mary Lou. We live in the Philippines, been here over a year and a half, and we love food, we love travel, we love culture, we love everything that's new to us, and we love sharing it with you. And we hope that you're enjoying our videos. It's just different every day, and we try to bring it real to you. Not a whole lot of talking in my videos, but we just try to show you stuff. But folks, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so I think we're at 1,961. And when I hit 2,000, I got to eat balut. So I've been asking a lot of questions about how to eat the balut, you know, with the duck embryo inside. Eesh. I'm not really looking forward to that, but I promised you once we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to do that for you. So today, if you're following along in our channel, we built a beach house near Masao in Butuan City. And last year we put up a fence. We only put up 3 sides, and then the back side, which separates our family from us, we didn't replace that fence yet. So we are replacing the fence. We bought 2 fish pens in the Masao River. And a fish pen is usually used by a fisherman for about a year. So the treated bamboo in the water is great for treating for termites, but if you use brand new bamboo, you're going to have problems with bugs unless you use the plastic varnish. But this is natural bamboo. It's been treated in the water. We had to go disassemble a fish pan that's been in the water for a year, so it's got a whole bunch of like oyster type things attached to it. It is very sharp, very dangerous. You had to move very slowly. You couldn't see what was below your feet. We were amongst the mangroves, and actually right on the shore was a cemetery. So you got the cemetery, and then this fish pen, this fish pen that we got was built for a fisherman, right out from the cemetery. So that was kind of creepy in itself. We bought 2 fish pens, so another one across the river. Paid about 2,000 pesos for it, for both. So about $40 for a lot of bamboo, a ton of bamboo. But the thing is, you got to disassemble it, then drag it back, then prep it, dry it out, and get it ready for the fence. So this is my experience of collecting bamboo from a fish pen in a river that I can't see the bottom. I got my snorkel and my mask, and it's a crazy adventure, and I hope you're going to like the video. Let's get to it. Thanks for watching. These are old fish.
What?
These are old fish pens.
Yeah. This kids coming for new fish. Yeah, this one.
Where? Nag-ulan.
Oh. Babaw. Wala na solo-solo ni isa.
So we are picking up material for our fence, and it's just in the water over here. We're going to tear it apart and drag it back to the beach house. But this is the Masao River, and pretty beautiful. It's like a tour. And now we get to work.
Going to quick, Bibulo. Very important. Kawayan, Brad. Because that's correct. Okay. Your head, your legs, you just go ahead. What's called up like this? But really,
Muddy,
yeah,
murky, very soft.
yeah.
So this is what we're picking up here. The bamboo, kawayan. And then this is what our fence was from last time. They just take down the old fish ponds and then they reuse the bamboo. But it's very sharp. I have to tell you that the water, the floor is very murky and squishy, but there's also a lot of like oyster type things that make it very sharp. So you have to really watch your step out here.
The first step, very dangerous.
Yes. This one's floating away here. Don't go too far. Is it tight?
Sit down. Jinjun. Jinjun. Yan. Ano na, hoy, kinag-video pag ako.
Okay. So we're done for tonight. We got a bunch of bamboo tied up. Starting to get dark. And creepy thing is, this is a cemetery up here. So no disrespect for the dead here, but we are working right next to the cemetery. Got the bamboo tied up, and we're gonna head home, take a shower, and then we'll come out and collect some more. There's a fish pond over here that we also bought that we have to disassemble. So stay tuned. Too bad we can't take a shortcut, huh?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Listen to the sound.
Diyan. Diyan, tanaw dyan. Ako dyan, dyan. Ako lang gitagtay ako.
We should move quicker, huh? On the way home.
Diyan, hapit na lunod. Ang kita. Sugayo.
Gonna rock maybe next day.
You have the house too?
Yeah, yeah. For feeding pangos.
Maybe you can build part of your garage for your photo.
The Masao Port here. There is a Masao Port here.
Get the sunset, Lindell.
Yeah. The sunset here. Look. Doa di ko computer dyan. Suhol bitaw, suhol. Gasas.
Hey, Brad.
Talatayanan din na pa. Dito silang tayanan.
Very hard work, Brad.
But it's an adventure. I like it. I feel it's dangerous though,
Yeah, yeah.
but I like it. I just hope I don't get sick, you know.
And first time there.
Like a local. Like a native. Living Filipino. Much easier to go this way. Very nice. Think the sea is rough. Probably sleep good tonight.
Ah, yeah. It's very tired.
Bottle of Red Horse. One day I'd like to try one of those canoes. You know, like that. I'd like to try that.
Ah, yeah.
Dito yung ano kay